case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1941, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Cox v. New Hampshire, which centered on the balance between individuals' rights to free speech and assembly and the state's authority to regulate public spaces for safety and convenience. The case involved 5 Jehovah's Witnesses who organized a march in Manchester with 63 others without obtaining a special license required by state statute. The appellants argued that the statute violated their 14th Amendment rights of freedom of worship, speech, press, and assembly, and granted unreasonable and discriminatory powers to the licensing authority. However, the state court ruled that the statute applied only to organized formations of persons using the highways, not to communication by speech, writing, distribution of literature, or display of placards and signs. The court provided guidance on interpreting the statute and defining the limitations of the authority granted for granting licenses for parades and processions. The appellants appealed to the Supreme Court of the United States, but the verdict was upheld. The Supreme Court affirmed the Supreme Court of New Hampshire's judgment, stating that the statute was administered fairly and did not violate the appellants' rights under the 14th Amendment. The court also clarified that local governments could control public street use for parades and processions, considering time, place, and manner without discrimination.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.